We've heard of the heat death of the universe, but what about the big crunch? What if our universe isn't expanding and dying, but imploding and infinitely looping instead? Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring the bizarre physics of a black hole singularity. First off, let's define our terms. What is a black hole singularity? In short, it's the point at the center of a black hole where all the matter consumed by the black hole gets crushed together. The thing is, we don't actually know what happens at the singularity, because the laws of physics as we understand them break down at that point. All we really know is that nothing can escape from a black hole, not even light, hence the name. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never come back out. And as it gets closer and closer to the singularity, the gravitational pull gets stronger and stronger until it's literally impossible to escape. So what would it be like to actually reach the singularity? Well, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, time would appear to slow down to a halt as you approach the event horizon. This means that from the perspective of an outside observer, you would appear to be frozen in time as you cross the event horizon and get ever closer to the singularity. However, from your own perspective, time would be passing normally. You wouldn't feel anything unusual at all until you reach the singularity itself. At this point, the gravitational forces would become so strong that they would crush you into a pancake-like shape. Your body would be utterly crushed and distorted by the immense pressure and temperature. But this is where things get weird. According to some physicists, at the very center of a black hole, there exists a quantum foam. This is a region of space-time where the fabric of the universe is in a constant state of flux, where space-time itself is created and destroyed on a subatomic level. It's a place where the laws of physics, as we understand them, simply do not apply. Some physicists even speculate that this quantum foam could be the key to time travel. If you were to somehow survive the journey to the center of a black hole and emerge from the other side of the singularity, you would be traveling through time. However, it's important to note that these are just theories. We don't actually know what happens at the singularity. It's a place where our current understanding of physics breaks down, and we have no idea what the laws of nature may be. It's possible that you would be utterly crushed into a pancake. But it's also possible that you would be catapulted through time and space. Or maybe you would be greeted by a friendly neighborhood quantum foam. Who knows? All we can say for sure is that if you were to fall into a black hole, you would never be seen again. So do you want to take the plunge and find out what's at the center of a black hole? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.